Premium Bonds Prize Checker. Is this the best prize checker in 2026? They say millions of pounds in prizes are sitting unclaimed, waiting for just one holder to check. The Premium Bonds Prize Checker app promises you can instantly see if you've won. Enter your number and find out. But in 2026, is this really the best checker app for your money or just another tool that gives you false hope? I spent time reviewing the Premium Bonds Prize Checker. Because when you're dealing with savings tied into a national scheme like National Savings and Investments (NS&I), you want the check tool to be safe, accurate, and trustworthy. Premium bonds are peculiar. Instead of interest, you're entered into monthly prize draws with tax-free winnings. And the official checker is the gateway to discovering if you've won. Here's what the app claims. You can input your bondholder number or NS&I number, check current and past draws, see prize history, and even get notifications. It boasts that millions of savers use it every month and that prizes never expire, so you'll always have a chance to claim. Sounds straightforward, but we dug deeper. First, availability and ease of use. Yes, the Prize Checker app and the NS&I website allow you to type in your holder number and get your results. The official site shows you the draw results and unclaimed prizes. NS&I, the UK journal, however, the claim that it's the best checker depends on accuracy, completeness, and user experience. There are reports that while winners are publicly listed, some smaller prize notifications rely on outdated letters or checks, meaning you could win and never know. For example, in late 2024, there were over 2.4 million unclaimed prizes totaling about £92 million, moneysavingexpert.com. That means the tool only helps if you know your holder number. Have your contact info updated. And check regularly. Next, the odds and expectations. Each £1 bond gets one chance in the draw. And though the prize fund rate was around 3.6% in recent years, the reality is most holders never win anything. Money week, so the checker's value isn't about how often you win, but how easily you can see your results and claim what's due. The app works fine for that, but it doesn't change your underlying odds. Then there's the experience. Several users on forums say the app is simple but basic. You enter a number, you get a no-win message or a prize message, and that's it. Some wished for alerts beyond the last 6 draws or integrated investment tracking. A thread on Reddit points out that you might check the app and think you've not won, but you might still have a winning bond if you entered wrong details or never updated your contact info. Reddit on the plus side, the app is free, backed by the UK government via NS&I, and the system is robust. Withdrawals and prize payments are well handled once your details are correct. On the downside, it doesn't guarantee you haven't won if you're missing information. And a believe it or not nature of the prize scheme means many users check and walk away disappointed, not because the tool failed, but because the odds were never in their favor to begin with. So what's the verdict? Is this the best prize checker in 2026? If you hold premium bonds, this is absolutely the correct tool. It's official, trustworthy, easy to use, and free. But if you're judging best by features, alerts, deeper analytics, or improving your chances of winning, then no, it's not revolutionary. It simply gives you what you need, a way to see if you've won. If you use the Premium Bonds Prize Checker app regularly, keep your contact info current, and know the system, it adds value. If you expect it to boost your likelihood of winning or to provide premium insights, you'll likely be disappointed. If this review helped you understand what the app really does, share it, comment your experience, and check your bond numbers today. Even if you don't win, you'll at least know. Stay informed, stay prepared, and as always, question everything.